Last year was as discouraging as it was rewarding. And part of that is because I didn't really understand how the relationship between Widner Professional Finishes and the Soul Fixin Foundation would work. And people were confused too. So I went to my attorney and I went to my accountant and I said, how do we fix this? And so, bless their hearts, Widner Professional Finishes is now under the Soul Fixin Foundation. We're a 501c3 and we're a revenue earning arm for them. So when I do a job like I'm doing here, when we're done, they write a check to the foundation and they get to deduct the whole amount, and then we're able to pay whatever bills we need to and stuff. I still don't make a dime. Everything extra that comes in goes out. As you're much aware, we were able to finish painting the outside of Impact Church, and we were working on the permit. And since we're talking about that, we just got the permit. So now then we can finish. The foundation is overseeing the complete finish out of the whole outside of the thing. So we're looking forward to that. We were able to kind of help the pastor of Impact Church redo the outside of his house. That turned out pretty cool, and that was very humbling to be able to do that for him. And so he called me and said, Mike, would you come over and kind of show me how to paint my house?
But once he got here, I think he got really excited about the idea and the project, and he wanted to help out. And so he started, and he told us at first, okay, I'm going to paint the front, and then I'll hand it off. I'll show you how to do it. And then he just kept going and going, and we've been amazed at how much he's done for this house.
We finished out there at Dr. Jeff Bates' place, the hospice house, got that place. And actually we auctioned off at the big auction they had there to raise money. We auctioned off painting 2 kitchens, and they raised $8,000 to do that. So we finished both those projects now. And next year's exciting for us to start with. April, we're going to be going to Tanzania and document everything we've done over there. So you're looking at close to 8 years of stuff we've done there. And we're putting together the rural medical clinics while I'm there. I'll be talking with a lot of doctors, a lot of medical people, a lot of equipment, a lot of deal we'll be doing with the solar people, construction. Then we'll be going to Nema Village. And that's going to be a lot of fun to see all those babies and to see the programs they have. They got Mothers Against Poverty programs. They got a drilling program. And then we'll go a little bit north to Sharati, where the leper colony is and where we've done so much solar work because they don't have any power there. If this works, and these clinics actually work with these solar cookers and all this stuff, they can be put all over the world. The other morning, and I got a gut feeling God woke up Elijah at 4 in the morning, because it seems like that's when he wants to talk to me and my brother. And the word manna came to me. And I thought, manna, why in the world how would you wake up at 4 o'clock in the morning and the word manna come to you? So I got to thinking about what it was and how he feeds us daily. He gives us what we need for the day. And if we try to collect more than the day, then it rots. So I'm really getting a wonderful lesson on just trusting him daily and letting him, I don't need to figure it out. I just need to show up.